So we do a lot of property management here on island, and what we prefer to work with is owners who care about their properties, are willing to get the items fixed and repaired as quickly as we can on these properties that have a problem. And so we have screens that are ripped, roofs that are leaking, plumbing that's not working right, fans that have died, and we are always trying to get those fixed immediately. When we have an owner who's not willing to participate, let me tell you, I've fired more owners because they won't take care of their properties. And I here at Wai'oli Properties will not be a slumlord. So I've had to go back, and I was hired to take care of the properties, but when it came down to the end, they wouldn't pay for it, so I let them go. And that happens more often than I care to even talk about. But if you need property management, and everyone does, if you have tenants, make sure you're taking care of your property, and we absolutely make sure it's done.